Thanks Caroline, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. Today we will be bottling the On The House Pinot Grigio and announcing the winner of 3 bottles of the wine. In the last video I degassed and stabilised the wine and left it to clear. Now there should be 22 litres of wine in this bucket, but it was ready over a month ago and we've been drinking it. Because it's really nice. It's a really nice Pinot, it's really crisp, so yeah, we thought we better bottle it, otherwise there wouldn't be any left for the winner. So I have 3 lovely posh bottles that have all been sterilised, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a jug and a funnel. Obviously you can use a siphon, but I just prefer this for ease. So let's bottle the wine. That's the wine bottled. Let's go and pick a winner. And the winner is Celeste Smith. Celeste, 3 bottles of Pinot Grigio are on their way to you. In my next video, I'll be showing you part 2 of the elderberry wine. But if you've enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. Cheers!